If you want to be a digital nomad travel the world, you need to find a way to make money online. Today, I'm going to share my favorite one, allow me to make a living doing what I love, which is start an online business. And I walk the talk. I've built and monetized 2 online business already. If I can do it, so can you. While there's no right way to start, but I'm going to introduce the easiest and low-cost method, which doesn't require much money to start, a lot of tools even free, and you don't need to hire anyone if you want to run a one-person business. Just as my role model Neville said, there are 9 billion people in this world. Somehow I wish there are 9 billion companies. That's why I believe anyone can work for themselves and be an entrepreneur. Anyway, let's get started. In general, there are 2 types of online business. First one, a service online business. You provide service to other people in exchange for money. The second one, online course. You turn your skill and knowledge into the course to teach other people in exchange for money. It's not like you have to choose one of them. You can combine them together into your online business. For example, I offer down for your service to help business with their digital marketing needs. I also teach people about digital marketing. If you want to start an online business, you need first a specific skill or knowledge you can turn into a service or online course. Second, clients who are willing to pay you for that service and course. You might ask, what kind of skill or service? In general, if you have a job that only requires you to sit in the office and work on your computer, then you have an online skill. For example, my skill is digital marketing. I help people run the paid ads, write copy, and manage their social media account. You could offer service like project management, employee onboarding, or write copy for optimize the website SEO. I've also created a list of skills that only require you to work online. Comment skill to get a copy. If you don't have a business-related skill, you could also teach people like on the different aspects of their life, such as health, wealth, relationship, and happiness. This is a topic everyone cares about and wanting to know more. Well, if you're still confused about skill and knowledge, there are 2 questions you can ask yourself to brainstorm some ideas. First, what is something my family and my friends always ask me to help with and I like to do as well? Second, what is something my colleagues come to me for? And what is a project my boss always asks me to do? For me, my friends always ask for my opinion on career development in remote work, and my boss always assign me tasks like social media post creation. So I created 2 online business around this skill and knowledge. How to build an online business? First, start with personal branding. This is the most powerful approach, I guess, as it creates a deeper connection with your potential customer and audience. What is personal brand? In short, define who you are, what you do, and what you want to be known for. Second, show your work by establishing an online presence like build a website, set up a social media account to share your experience and engage with your audience. Third, create an MVP, a minimal viable product to test and onboarding your first client. How to attract clients? The best way to attract clients is by showcasing your expertise through content creation and leveraging the testimonial and word of mouth. If you just start, first, reach out to your network and offer your service or course at a low price to people you think might need it. Second, share content every day on social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Instagram, X, even 小红书. Third, network with other content creators or professions in your niche to get more eyes on your content. Along the way, always ask for a testimonial if you've done a great job and share it with your audience. How to grow your online business? First, continue to create great content to generate more impression and grow your audience base. Second, build an email list so that you can land more paid clients through email marketing. Third, create a value ladder by offering different products to people at the different stage of the customer journey. How to create a value ladder? First, start with something small like a low-price digital product such as an ebook. Then create a course. If you're not sure about what kind of course to create, you can ask your client like, what would you like to learn more about and you are willing to pay for? Sometimes you don't even need to ask. For example, at my marketing agency, my clients always text me like, Zoe, if you ever have a digital marketing course, add me to the waiting list. One thing I noticed recently for my international social media, my audience and my client always text me like, Zoe, thank you so much for creating so much valuable content and let me know how I can support you, or even like what I said, my client texts me, please create a course and teach me how to do digital marketing, blah, blah. And I just launched my Chinese course, right? And a few people text me like, oh my God, you're selling me something. That's what you're here for. And I was like, yeah, so what? Are you really thinking I spent years provide value by creating free content and never wanting to get paid for my time? Okay, I'm not saying everyone is like that. That's just what I noticed recently. Plus, most people who knows me from social media are just so nice and so sweet. Thank you guys, love you. Okay, let's back to how to create a value lander. Last step, offer a done for you service. For example, at my marketing agency, I have a lot of like free ebook or checklist for only $10. And I offer course at $500. And my done for you service is priced at start with $2,000. Why create a value lander? Remember, if someone pays you, even if something small like a ebook or a course, they're more likely to invest in something much more like a service. I'm confident that I can grow my online business into a six-figure business. If you wanted to check how I'm going to make it in the next few years, join my shareholder program. One last thing, this video is a preview of my personal brand course. In the course, I will walk you through the whole process and teach you how to build a personal brand and turn it into revenue. Anyway, because I believe it doesn't matter how you want to be a digital nomad, you should always build a personal brand because you're not just a freelancer which get paid by hour to work on a project. Along the way, you're building your own brand and audience which grow with you together so that you can pivot your career or create your own product whenever you want. For example, remember a few weeks ago, I was talking about I moved to AI and Web3, but I have zero experience. And I already got a job by leveraging my personal brand. Anyway, check the detailed introduction on my online course here. And if you're ready to build a personal brand that offers you time and location freedom, come join me. Bye, I'm Chesna. See you next time.